It is a risk-off session today, with safe haven assets catching a bid across the board. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your crypto market briefing for July 14th. Digital assets are never boring. Let us break down what is moving prices today. Here is how the major digital assets are trading today. Bitcoin dropped sharply to $62,006, minus 2.75% on the day. Intraday range was $61,786 to $64,252. Ethereum dropped sharply to $1,760.40, minus 2.51% on the day. Intraday range was $1,750.59 to $1,838.48. Solana plunged to $74.40, minus 3.22% on the day. Intraday range was $74.19 to $77.93. Now let us look at what the macro environment means for crypto. Crypto sentiment is being driven by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, Rumble's Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Digital assets are selling off alongside broader risk assets. When equity markets fall, crypto tends to amplify the move. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. This comes as Wall Street ends lower as Iran tensions dampen risk appetite, chipmakers drop, adding pressure to energy markets. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Equity markets are responding to reports that Dow Jones, NASDAQ, S&P 500 preview, markets brace for inflation data, Q2 earnings, investing.com. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Dow Jones, NASDAQ, S&P 500 preview, markets brace for inflation data, Q2 earnings, investing.com. Let us give you our near-term analytical view on Bitcoin. With the selling pressure we have seen today, the key support level for Bitcoin is around $58,285. A failure to hold there could accelerate the decline and attract further sellers. For a recovery, bulls need to see a fundamental shift in the drivers weighing on prices. This is our view. Always do your own research. Remember that crypto remains a high volatility asset class. Position sizing and risk management are critical, especially around macro events and on-chain data releases. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We cover every major global market, every single day. If this kind of daily, actionable analysis is useful to you, please support us with a like and subscribe. It takes 2 seconds and it means a great deal to this channel. Share this with anyone who invests or trades, they will thank you for it. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe and we will see you in the next one. That is your crypto briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily digital asset coverage.